Diddly Ho, neighborinos.
Hey everybody, we're filming in Angels Camp, California again.
It's convenient, but we are we're gonna try the new Golden Frog Bistro.
See what all the hype is all about, huh?
Yeah, hungry also.
Yeah, we're always excited to see a new restaurant in town, and so we're gonna give this one a whirl, show you what we get to eat, pricing, you know, opinions on the food. Obviously it's just an opinion, and opinions are like...
Everybody has one.
Everybody has one. Okay, you guys, so we'll catch you on the inside.
We are Aaron and Aretha Kringle.
And we are inviting you to come mingle with the Kringles. So this restaurant has been a Perco's, it's been a Rod's Grill, it's been a few different things. So this is the newest. It looks pretty nice in here. I love the little fountain. Look at that. Don't you think that's cute, babe?
That is cute.
Yeah, I mean, and it's a good sound. Nice little mellow sound. All right. Hi, thank you. 2, please. Somehow we missed this baby as we came in. What is that, babe? A 1964...
Yeah, just barely see it through the window here.
We'll have full coverage of the menu at the end of the video. To drink...
I had an Arnold Palmer. I love me an Arnold Palmer.
With pink lemonade. There was pink at the bottom. I had an Italian soda. I had peach. They put drizzle all over my whipped cream, and it was delicious. Yum. They put peach syrup on my Cool Whip as well. My whipped cream.
Saw that.
Yummy. For my main course, I got the Surf and Turf Twice Baked Potato. It was so good. I also got a blue cheese green salad. You'll see the menu description here at the end.
I got a Philly cheesesteak. The cheese was very ooey gooey. Super good, very well seasoned. Fries were great.
Okay, honey, tell us what you think of the Philly cheesesteak. I think that's what it was called. Yeah, Philly cheesesteak sandwich. It looks pretty cheesy. Still a little bit of cheese hanging. This is the problem with beards. Still there. And now it's straight down. There you go.
It is cheesy. It's really good.
Plenty of seasoning and good flavor.
Everything you want, I think, out of a cheesesteak.
All right. Okay, we ready?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna get a piece of. I'm gonna try to get a piece of potato, piece of steak, piece of bacon, and I don't know where the crab is, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh, I see some. I got it. Okay. Let's give it a whirl, huh? That's pretty good.
And here's just a little tour of the newly renovated interior.
It's turned out pretty nice. The everything is new. All of the furniture, new paint, new new seats, bar stools, not bar stools, but booths. Booths. That's the word I was looking for. And then on the outside, it looks like they are going to continue the tradition of having tables outside once they're completely ready. They've got a little fountain that they're putting together. It's got some water in it, but you know, obviously still some work to do to get it going there. So now we are headed to the Celtic Fair locally to find our child. Hello there, darling.
Hello.
Okay, Ash made this outfit for the Celtic Fair. And a bunch of... You would, honey? Yes, you are going in the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
And the band is called Aspen. Aspens. All right, we got a couple more outfits here. Who are you guys?
I'm just doing a 15th century medieval guy.
Okay, nice. Same.
No, I'm from a little earlier than him, but
Very good. You slice more people in half with your sword.
If you wanted a picture, yeah.
What's your name?
Teresa.
Teresa is dressed up for the Celtic Fair.
I lost my hat. I had to get a replacement.
Oh no! How cute.
Hopefully it turns up in Lost and Found.
I hope so. You look amazing.
Thank you.
After lunch, we decided to take a drive down to New Melones Reservoir. It's our local lake. The marina and stuff is closed for the winter, but it should be opening up again soon. But there's a bunch of people's boats. And we got a bunch of geese. But it's a pretty decent sized lake. We're here at the boat launch. We both decided that it'd been a very long time since we had been here, so it's kind of cool to come out and just to see it. This is pretty close to as full as it gets. And these guys are having fun.
So, I mean, pretty good, mellow, no rain day. Everything's green.
Yeah, it's actually a nice day to be out.
There was a huge fire last summer, and we saw that most of the ground, obviously the trees are still burnt, but most of the ground is...
The grass is growing back nice and green.
I bet there's some mushrooms.
Yeah, maybe.
Not yet. Maybe
No,
next
not yet.
year.
And it might be a wrong elevation too. But
Oh, that's true. But yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed this. Just kind of a hometown vlog, if we won't call it a home vlog because we weren't at home, but
you can almost see our house from where we are.
you can almost see our house from where we are, and this is just a beautiful area. We've been wanting to come check it out just to see, you know, about taking the dogs down and stuff for the day or for a couple of hours. So yeah, we had a good meal at the Golden Frog Bistro.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good.
I definitely enjoyed it. They need more staff. The staff they have are very friendly and no.
But if it got any busier,
yeah, they just need some more staff. But they've also barely been open a month.
Open. Yeah, and you went out and filmed the outside, so I think there are going to be.
Sorry if that turned out like I filmed it.
Babe, he's doing good. Just hopefully you didn't have your finger in front of the camera.
We'll find out.
But yeah, so Golden Frog Bistro, I'll give you guys a little glimpse into the Celtic Fair. Got a few characters there, and then to the lake. And we will be back this Thursday with another podcast before. I don't know if we're going to have one in between that and me leaving out for a couple weeks, but we'll just see how it goes. So yeah, we hope you guys have a good day. The sun is shining and
it's about 60 degrees here.
Yeah, it's 60 degrees. It feels amazing. I haven't had a sweatshirt on all day, surprisingly, because he has his flannel on, but we're going to go home and get our babies back outside.
And I'm going to go to bed.
He's going to go to bed for work, and I'm going to get some work done. So yeah, that's about it. All right, we'll see you guys soon.
Thanks, guys.
They are in the process of applying for their alcohol license. So today we're just getting non-alcoholic drinks.